a bat or a weasel? A bat blundered into the nest of a weasel, who ran up to catch and eat him. The bat begged for his life, but the weasel would not listen. "You are a mouse," he said, "and I am a sworn enemy of mice. Every mouse I catch, I am going to eat." "But I'm not a mouse," cried the bat. "Look at my wings. Can mice fly? Why, I am only a bird. Please let me go." The weasel had to admit that the bat was not a mouse, so he let him go. But a few days later, the bat blindly entered into the nest of another weasel. This weasel happened to be a bitter enemy of birds, and he soon had the bat under his claws, ready to eat him. "You are a bird," he said, "and I'm going to eat you." "What?" cried the bat. "I, a bird? Why, all birds have feathers. I'm nothing but a mouse. Down with all cats is my motto." And so the bat escaped with his life a second time. What do you understand from this story? That the bat was smart. Yes, but there is more to it.